Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. Are you ready to check your WASSCE results but don't know how to purchase the results checker? In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to buy a WASSCE results checker using your phone with no stress. Step 1. Open your dialer. Dial the code *713*713 for hash on any network. Step 2. On the next screen, select option 1, which is WASSCE or Nov-Dec. This is where you'll make your purchase. Step 3. Enter the quantity of results checkers you want to buy. For example, if you need 1 checker, enter 1. Step 4. Confirm your details, that is the checker type, quantity, and total amount. Review the details and select 1 to confirm your order. Make sure your phone number is mobile money registered and has enough funds to complete transactions. After confirming your order, a payment prompt will appear. Enter your mobile money PIN to complete the transaction. Once payment is successful, you'll receive an SMS with your results checker details. And that's it. You have successfully purchased your results checker. It's fast, simple and convenient.